Say, think, chant, or sing this powerful mantra if you wish to remove negativity or uplift your mood. And the best time to do so is when you wake up in the morning so that you remain in the high vibrations the whole day. And how many times you need to do this? 28 or multiple times. You can also follow this mantra anytime when you feel that you are in the low energy. This is going to instantly bring back your sunshine. So, this powerful mantra is together, 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 shine, shine, shine. Together, 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 shine, shine, shine.